I bought the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max, and if you see here, this got freaking damaged in shipping. So when you go in here and you look, you see that? It broke. It freaking damaged it. So, Amazon don't have any available. So I don't know what I'm going to do now. But I have actually set it up as for me to get as a gift. So they put it in a separate box or what have you, but they didn't do that. So now I'm stuck with a broken 3D printer that I can't use, and they're out of stock. So now what do? I don't want that other one. I wanted this one. So thanks a lot, USPS, because it wasn't Amazon that delivered it. It all went through USPS. So I blame Amazon for not putting it in a separate box like I asked them to. But I don't know. Anycubic, if you're watching, watch out for this because you got foam everywhere. I mean, everywhere. Look at how foamed this stuff up. You got all this stuff, all this foam all over the place. There's even some underneath this bed, but there's foam everywhere on this thing. Everywhere, except for there and there. Well, how hard is it just to put more foam right there? I don't know. I was excited. Took 2 weeks to get here. All right, well, I'll keep you updated.